I want to do your makeup.
I'm not. You're not doing my makeup because of my makeup already done. You don't mess with the makeup.
Turtle. Turtle, turtle. They walk slow.
Turtle, turtle. They walk slow.
They walk slow.
So hey guys, it's Selena and it's Jimmy.
Jimmy!
Stop! And well, this is part 2.2 because I put up the second part, but then I deleted it because I wanted to. So it's just that one video of her lovely dancing, and yeah.
Hi.
Because I love it. You look so cute.
Why did you delete it?
I didn't delete it. I deleted the one where we were doing your project.
Oh, and
yeah.
the underwear. We don't use this bathroom for showers, only 1, 2, and 3.
If I went back, what would you have done? Are you for real? Are you for kidding me? Oh.
I know what that stands for.
What?